Okay, this is the Double Wick 12.7 ounce M&Sense tobacco vanilla candle that I just picked up on Amazon. This is far from my first purchase from the brand. M&Sense keep coming out with multiple scent profiles within several different candle lines with different aesthetics, all reasonably priced. The glass jars in this particular line are more traditional looking with gold foil elaborate labeling and slightly apothecary Libby style jars. I got this particular item because A, I thought the brown would match my furniture, and B, more importantly, because I thought there was a possibility that it would smell like that famous Tom Ford fragrance of the same name. And you know what? It rather does. It's sweet and cozy and sexy. You can't go wrong with this soy wax candle burning at home. And you get 70 hours of that seductive smell in your space with it.